Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2012 Chevy Traverse in the shop. I'm going to show you the air filter box location and how to take the cover off and inspect the air filter. So once the hood is open, it's right in front of the driver's seat. We have the cover right here. It's pretty distinctive. Knowing an air filter box cover, it usually has a map sensor and the air filter tube or the air tube going into the throttle body. Now the mounting screws for this is a T20. You can see them right here. I think there's 5. I'm going to place them up there so I don't lose them. There's one down here. There's one right here. One in the back. That's 4. There should be one more right over here. Yep, there it is right down there. So you're going to want to make sure you have a good extension to get down in the location of all these. Now you just wiggle it and you can lift it up. Let's see if there's one more right here. Yep, there it is. So we got 6 total. There's one hiding back here. It's kind of tight in this little Traverse, so I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and I'm going to disconnect that air tube hose. Nice. I'm going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor because I want to lift the cover right clear up so we have a good view. The little red tab here is a safety lock. Just push that back enough so that you can access the clip, push down, pull that out of the way. So I find through the years on this to take it out easy is to go from the back side up. So we're going to grab it back here, clear it past this plastic kind of pull it up and out, twist it. Oh, the air filter came out with it. But now we can look at the air filter. That's not bad. That's been cleaned, or replaced, shall I say, in the past like 6 months, probably the last oil change. So it looks good. There's no little nest in there, so we're going to put it back together. Just reverse procedure, so I'm going to bring the front piece of it down first. Put my air hose back on to the throttle body. Make sure there's no hoses in the way. And you can see that air filter shifts very easily, so just a little push with the finger gets it right back into the groove of the box. I'm going to try to go opposite of each other. Last one, it's the one right back here. Okay, now we have all 6 housing screws tight. I'm going to definitely do the clamp first. There's a cutout indicator, so if your clamp spun, make sure you line that back up. And you want make sure this is tight. You want no air leaks. Now we're going to connect our mass airflow sensor again. Line it up, clicks, then push that red tab back in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.